Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by orienting the plan and taking immediate measurements. Find the scale and north arrow so your mental map is accurate. Once you have scale, measure the outer dimensions and mark ceiling heights. This sets the spatial limits. Make sure to note fixed elements like load-bearing walls, columns, and staircases because they constrain layout options. As you do this, sketch a simple reference grid. It speeds later measurements and avoids repeated calculations. Now read each room, confirm labels, door swings, and window sizes so you understand function and daylighting. Then trace systems, electrical runs, plumbing stacks, and HVAC ducts because repositioning them is costly. Once done, map circulation, measure hall widths and egress paths, and overlay typical furniture zones to verify fit. Make sure to use transitional thinking. Systems inform layout and layout affects finishes, so iterate between layers until room function, access, and services align. Finish by converting scaled measurements into real values and producing a checklist for construction or design. Then mark required changes, constraints, and client requirements on the plan so nothing is missed. Test critical clearances, door swings, appliance fits, and corridors before approving. If something is off, troubleshoot by rechecking the scale and reference grid first. Often a misread scale or flipped symbol causes the error, and correcting that resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.